Hi, this is Lara at Elliott Wave Stock Market with your daily analysis for the S&P 500 for the trading session dated Wednesday 6th of November. I'm recording this video 20 past 4 in the afternoon just before New York closes. I don't expect much is going to happen in the last 10 minutes. At the daily chart level we got some upwards movement. I was expecting downwards movement for Wednesday's session. That's not what happened. Prices moved higher beautifully to find resistance at the upper edge of the maroon channel as I've been drawing it on this daily chart. For this wave count I expect it's still probably an incomplete second wave correction and we still need to see a bit more downwards movement before for this idea we then see an increase in upwards momentum towards the target as a third wave begins. Within intermediate wave 5, the first wave is extended. The second wave is incomplete. I'd expect the third wave to either be equal in length to the first or maybe 0.618 the length of the first, and the fifth wave to be shorter than the third, because this third wave is really obviously extended. When I know where the end of the second wave is, I'll calculate a target for the third wave for you. I can't do that yet. Minor wave 2 may not move beyond the start of 1 below 1646.47. We have 2 hourly wave counts for this idea that cycle wave B is either close to completion or already complete. This first one, which assumes the trend remains the same until proven otherwise, and then the second hourly chart moves everything in here up 1 degree and sees cycle wave B is complete here. Let's look at the first, where the start of minor 2 at this point is this point here. It can't be over here because from this high to this low, it just doesn't subdivide very well at all as a correction. I suppose it could be a 5-3 with quite a truncated C5, but that has a low probability because it includes a significant truncation. So the subdivisions that fit best here are a 5, 3, 3, and a completion of a double combination, and now we need a 5 down to complete this zigzag for minor wave 2. We got some higher movement which was an extension of the B wave within it. It wasn't over here as an expanded flat, it's continued further and a bit higher as a double combination. The first structure is a flat, joined by a 3 in the opposite direction. The second structure is a zigzag. So we need a 5 wave structure downwards for minute wave C. At 1754 it will reach equality in length with minute wave A, and if it gets down there it should find support at the lower edge of this channel. Alternatively, like I said on the daily chart, if we move everything within the last upwards wave up 1 degree, it's possible that cycle wave B in its entirety is complete. For this one, A, B, C and 1, 2, 3 subdivide in exactly the same way. So for this idea I'm still expecting downward movement, but for this idea I'm expecting it to show a good increase in downward momentum and break through support at the lower edge of this channel. At 1742 a third wave would reach 1.618 the length of the first wave. For this one, if we see any further upwards movement, Minuet wave 2 can't move beyond the start of 1 above 1775.22. If that invalidation point is breached, I'll have quite a bit of confidence in the target on the daily chart. For this alternate idea, if we get movement below 1646.47 in the next couple of weeks, this will be my main wave count, seeing a trend change up here. It'll be subject to confirmation, although the alternate bullish wave count would also be expecting quite a lot of downwards movement as a second wave at intermediate degree unfolds. This one would still have a higher probability though, so it would be my main wave count below this price point, and I would have enough confidence in it if price breaches the big maroon channel on the monthly chart. I'd have enough confidence in this wave count to calculate long-term downward targets. Let's have a look at the alternate bullish wave count on the daily chart. On the monthly chart I've adjusted this one to fit in better with seeing the subdivisions in the same way pretty much as the main wave count, and to avoid some of the problems I had with it. So it has a few less problems, but it still has quite a few problems in terms of volume not showing a good strong increase, and the upwards movement not breaching this trend channel on the monthly chart. And if we're in a third wave up, even a first wave of it should be probably breaching that channel by now, and it's not. Either way, the wave count fits quite nicely, and it certainly is possible. If we see movement below this big channel on the monthly chart, the maroon channel, which for this one I've drawn as a dashed line, the lower edge of that further down, if price moves below that, I would probably discard this wave count. It would just have the wrong look, because at that stage a second wave at intermediate degree would reach the lower end of a channel containing a first and second wave of 1 degree higher at primary degree. Second waves of lower degrees shouldn't breach those acceleration channels of first and second waves of a higher degree. It makes the wave count look strange, it reduces the probability. It'll only be finally fully technically invalidated with movement below 1074.77, but well before we got to that point it would look so wrong as to be firmly discarded. I'll be expecting downwards movement tomorrow. If we have had a trend change at cycle degree, it has to prove itself in the next few days. We have to see quite a good increase in downwards momentum because a third wave should be unfolding. If price moves lower but just finds support at the lower edge of the channel on the main hourly wave count chart, then we probably haven't had a trend change. So the next few days are going to be crucial for the S&P. That's all for me for today with your S&P analysis, and I hope that all our members are having a fabulous day.